Before discussing reclaiming your firearm in Arizona, let's review common scenarios where your weapon might have been confiscated or your right to possess it lost. Your firearm could have been seized as evidence in a criminal investigation or impounded after a conviction. It might have been surrendered due to a court order, like a mental health or restraining order, or because you were deemed a prohibited possessor. Your right to possess firearms could also be suspended due to a felony or certain misdemeanor domestic violence convictions. Now, let's explore the Arizona-specific path to reclaim your firearm or restore your possession rights. First, identify why your firearm is in law enforcement custody or why your right to possess it was lost. Was it seized as evidence, held until adjudication, or forfeited after a conviction under ARS Title 13, Chapter 39? Did you lose your civil right to possess a firearm, becoming a prohibited possessor under ARS 13 to 3101 due to a felony or certain misdemeanors? Understanding the specific reason is crucial, as the path to reclaiming your firearm depends entirely on which scenario applies. If your firearm was seized as evidence or impounded, and you still legally retain your rights, you may seek its return once the case is resolved. Arizona law states that seized firearms shall be held until charges are adjudicated or disposed of, but must be returned to the lawful owner if their identity is known. First, determine the status of the criminal case. Are charges pending? Has there been a conviction? Or is there a forfeiture order? If the case is resolved without a forfeiture order, contact the seizing agency to inquire about their return policy and process. You'll need to provide proof of lawful ownership, non-prohibited status, and confirm no court order prohibits your possession. If the firearm was ordered forfeited, return might not be possible, as forfeiture means the state keeps or disposes of the weapon. If your firearm possession rights were lost, for example due to a felony conviction, you must pursue legal rights restoration. Under ARS Section 13 to 3101, a prohibited possessor includes anyone convicted of a felony whose civil right to possess a firearm has not been restored. For non-serious felony offenses, Arizona allows two routes: a set-aside of the conviction under ARS Section 13 to 907, or a judicial application for restoration under ARS Section 13 to 910 after a waiting period. First, determine your conviction category: non-serious felony, serious offense, or dangerous offense, as classification matters. Complete all sentencing requirements, including incarceration, probation, parole, and restitution payment, ensuring the order is absolutely discharged. If automatic restoration doesn't apply, file an application in the Superior Court of the county where you are convicted. Even if Arizona restores your rights, federal law may still prohibit you from possessing a firearm if you are federally banned. In some cases, the firearm is not simply being held, it was ordered forfeited. Under Arizona law, for certain seizures, especially involving dangerous weapon usage, the court may order the weapon forfeited, sold, or destroyed. If your conviction was for a dangerous offense, you may never be eligible to restore firearm rights under Arizona law. If the firearm is forfeited, its return may be impossible, as the state may have lawfully sold or destroyed it. To wrap up, first identify why your firearm is with law enforcement or why your possession right was lost. If seized but your rights are intact, follow the agency's process to request return after the case ends. If rights were lost due to conviction, pursue the rights restoration process under Arizona law before seeking firearm return. If the firearm has been forfeited or you are permanently barred from firearm rights, return may not be possible. Even after state restoration, always check federal law. You might still be prohibited federally. If you're finding this helpful, please give this video a like, hit subscribe, and make sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss future updates from The Right Slant. Thank you for watching. If you're in Arizona and you've had a firearm confiscated or are working to restore your firearm rights, these are the key state law steps you'll need to understand. I'm for The Right Slant. Stay informed, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.